Hello, how are you guys doing? Um, I just want to give my opinion sa sinasabi nilang age does not matter. Kasi, well, I was looking on Facebook, may nakita akong, also sa YouTube, may mga nakikita akong mga Pinay that they are so proud that they are with a foreigner na the guy is 30 years older than them. So, may nakita akong Pinay na she is 30 tapos yung lalaki is almost 60. So, 30-year age gap. And she is like so proud of it, which doesn't make no sense. Kasi nga, wala na eh. Like, that is so old. Like, the guy is 60. 60. Tapos yung babae is 30. Ibig sabihin yung babae is right now living at her prime. Tapos yung lalaki, wala na. Like the guy is old. The 30-year age gap is so far. Like ano pang magagawa mo kung ikaw is 30 tapos yung partner mo is 60. Like that is so what can the guy do? When you are 60, mabilis ka ng mapagod, you're worn out, you're easily get sick. You know, it doesn't make no sense. And ito pa, she is so proud of this. Nakalagay sa YouTube niya na they have a 30-year age gap. Like, anong gagawin mo 'pag ano ka na, 'pag 60 ka na, ibig sabihin 90 na siya, nasa wheelchair na lang siya. Like, hindi ko maintindihan why would you do something like that. Kasi nga when you're in a relationship, 'di ba you spend time with each other. You maximize spending time with each other. How are you maximizing time when gano'n kalaki ang agwat ng age ninyo? Like, ibig sabihin nun, you are gonna be ikaw ang magiging yaya ng lalaki. Because the guy is 60 and you are 30. The guy, okay, cannot do much. So, it really doesn't make no sense 'pag iniisip ko, if you think about it. So, and this is like I notice also this is very common in the Philippines na large age gap. And they are like so proud of it. Like if the age gap is so wide, like you really think may magagawa pa kayong maayos? Tapos na ang prime ng lalaki. The prime ng lalaki is when he was 30, like you are. Like tapos na, nagawa niya na 'yon. And it's not with you, it's with a different person. So, kayong mga tao na nagpo-promote ng large age gap, pag-isipin niyo yung mga sinasabi niyo because it really doesn't make no sense. Lalo na if they're like 30-year age gap, even 20 years. Like sobrang layo. How can you maximize a relationship when it's like that? Iba pa ang culture ninyo, iba ang culture na lumaki siya, iba ang culture na lumaki ka. Not only that, you need to also understand kayo na men dies earlier than women. Excuse me. Na men who works like mga construction, who works mechanics, like men do more physical jobs than women. That's why they also die earlier than women. I know this because before I used to work at the nursing home. When I was working at the nursing home, most of them are women. Now there are some men who got good genetics that lived around 90 or 100, but that's rare. Okay, on average, men dies earlier than women. Okay, so yun lang naman. Hope everybody have a good night. Peace out.